How to clone my voice in 11 Labs. All right, it's easy to do this. Just simply log into 11 Labs. So make sure you have an account and simply sign in or sign up for 11 Labs. Now, once you have done this, go ahead and click on home here. And then where we have create or clone voice. So you could just go ahead and click on clone your voice here. But there is few things to note. You're going to need to have a starter plan enabled in order to use the instant voice cloning, which takes about 10 seconds and 2 minutes to generate a voice for you. And then we also have the professional voice clone for voice actors, where you could simply, make use of the creator plan, and then you can record up to 30 minutes of clean audio, and you'll be given at least 5 minutes of a cloned version, but you need to subscribe for that feature. Now we do have voice remixing, which is still in alpha, but basically you transform your existing voices or the existing voices on 11 Labs with text prompts to create new voices. But you can use the voice design option, which just simply enters a prompt and then it generates a voice for you. So you could just enter any type of prompt. If you feel your voice is pitchy, or your voice is low, or your voice is high, or you hit alto notes, you could just click on generate voice and you're done. All right, guys. So just go ahead and click on generate voice and you're done.